Welcome to PMdistilled. In this video lesson, let us discuss about a systems approach to project management. Have you ever wondered why organizations are executing projects? Organizations have ambitious business goals to accomplish. For example, an organization may say, next year or next financial year, we must increase the turnover by 25%. That can be a vision. Then they start thinking about how to accomplish this. Then they develop business strategies to do it. And the strategies are implemented through projects and programs. So everything is interconnected. So you have the vision, the strategy, and the projects and programs. These organizational strategies and objectives are supported by portfolio management. We'll be talking about portfolio management in detail in the subsequent lessons. In a nutshell, it is all about selection of the right projects which are in true alignment to the organization's value systems and strategy for growth. So first aspect of portfolio management is to choose the best projects which can support the organization strategy for achieving their goals and vision and the mission. This is supported by strategic planning, and once you select these projects and programs, which is part of the portfolio, we have to continuously scan the environment to ensure that nothing has changed, or rather things will change. When the environment changes, we have to kill some of the project, and maybe there will be opportunities to start new projects as well. A classical example is recently Apple scrapped their Apple Car project because the competitors were doing much better. That is one aspect of it. The second aspect is AI is providing much better opportunities. So they want to write off the Apple Car projects and deploy those resources, may not be the manpower but the money, into AI related projects. So portfolio management is all about picking up the right projects which are in true alignment to the strategy for growth, and then maintaining that alignment, because environment is very dynamic, things can change, and when the business environment changes, the portfolio also must be dynamic. Another recent development is the Venezuela. Okay, now the oil from Venezuela is available at a cheaper rate. Now what will happen to the oil and gas projects initiated in the Middle East, because they need to revisit their business strategies. Now see, as we discussed, all these things are linked actually. So we have business goals to accomplish, business strategies supported by projects, programs, and portfolios. Projects can be part of a program, and another project can be a standalone project, and all these things can come under a particular portfolio. So everything is interlinked. If a project fails, or a project gets delayed, the corresponding program will get delayed, and if the program gets delayed, then the business goal accomplishment can get delayed. So everything is intertwined. So if you can visualize everything as a system, then our project management, as a project manager, one can be more effective. Everything can be seen as a component of a larger system which are tightly coupled. If a sub project fails or delays, project will get delayed. Project gets delayed, the program can get delayed. And the program gets delayed, then the portfolio gets delayed, gets affected. And the portfolio gets affected, the business results slips. So it is a system. I presume that you have understood the system's approach to project management. And while executing these things, we need proper governance systems in place. Otherwise, we will never know the slippages, the plan versus actuals, the risk. So we need excellent governance systems in place to monitor, to initiate, plan, execute, monitor, and control the projects. Otherwise, business goals can get affected. As a project manager, if you understand these linkages very clearly, then it becomes much easier. You can become more effective as a project manager, especially with a better stakeholder management. I presume that you have understood the essence of a systems approach to project management and the benefit by considering the components like the portfolio, program, project, sub-project, operations, etc., as part of a larger system which works to accomplish the business goals. Thank you very much.